I'm now learning maritime knowledge and advanced research methods from my PhD in maritime studies at NTU, but I believe a master's degree in supply chain management from MIT would give me more focused domain knowledge in supply chain management and let me work more closely with industry partners. I discovered my interest in supply chain management while leading a power plant supply chain project in Pakistan. I discovered the opportunity in 2013. It was an AFC-funded feedstock supply chain design project in Karachi, Pakistan. I led the bid and designed the road network. I proposed using the existing sewage network in addition to the road network, which considerably increased the load capacity and conquered the hurdle of inadequate road infrastructure. Our final deliverable was highly praised by the AFC and cost only 40% of the project budget. This experience showed me how extracting efficiencies from the existing networks could increase the logistics capacity as effectively as building new infrastructure. I also found that supply chain management best combines my interest in business, knowledge in transportation, and skills in operations research. Besides the Collage project, I also developed a demand forecasting algorithm in 2010 to capture both met and unmet demand for Singapore's National Library Board when I worked as a research consultant in a local consultancy. I also coordinated a patrol optimization project for Singapore Traffic Police, analyzed crime and accident hotspots, and proposed new patrol routes, which doubled patrol coverage with just a 20% manpower increase. Another supply chain related project I did was to build a simulation model to analyze crane utilization for 5,000 square meters warehouse. My PhD training furthered my understanding of global supply chain by adding maritime related knowledge. After studies, I want to join a global consultancy and become a partner track thought leader in supply chain management. I want to polish my consulting skills by applying my advanced technical skills to solving most complex logistics challenges. Long term, I envision working at the nexus of government, industry, and academia to develop sustainable logistics solutions, integrate global logistics resources, and promote innovative supply chain based business models. Well, I'm most interested in the supply chain impact generated by the e-commerce revolution. The rise of e-commerce has upended almost every industry. More importantly, it has changed traditional business models by disintermediating traditional distributors and retailers. Before the appearance of internet shopping, products were shipped in bulk for bricks and mortar sale. Now manufacturers have to arrange numerous individual shipments. Lack of scale puts upward pressure on logistics costs, while traditional inventory management methods are inadequate to handle decentralized orders. These changes impose tremendous complexity on logistics providers. In China, booming e-commerce is accelerating the growth of third-party logistics providers, or 3PLs, while cost-effective 3PLs are fueling the steady growth of e-commerce. However, some of their strategies are unsustainable. For example, the last mile delivery solutions heavily rely on cheap labor. More sustainable solutions are needed to address these problems. I believe understanding how to address the global supply chain impact of e-commerce revolution presents tremendously interesting challenges and opportunities.